Hey everyone, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie
We are
Talbot.
Vocal Lab Hey everyone, thanks for joining us today. We're so excited and thrilled to have you here on this
We're
special
so excited
episode.
and thrilled that Carlos is yawning in the back.
Oh wow, he sure was. This is the most special episode. That's why he's yawning.
It is the most special episode
Why?
because
Of
obviously
things.
happening.
Oh, well done.
Yeah.
That was a fun game.
That was a fun
Hey,
game.
hit that subscribe button if you want more of this nonsense, because we're going to bring it every time. We're going to bring it strong. You know what I'm
we're
saying?
so nonsensical.
Subscribe to YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Patreon. And while you're at it, check out our 4-week vocal program, From the Bedroom to the Stage, where we take your voice from where you are to where you want to go. That's what
right.
we do, right? And finally, check out the Spotify's, because at Jason Catron on Spotify, Apple Music. Spotify. I said Spotify or.
Oh.
That's in the South, we run a lot of stuff together. Spotify
Run
or.
a lot, but we don't run a lot.
All your streaming services, check it out. Hey, enough of the plugging, because we're here to react.
To react. And I'm excited about this one.
Yes? Why?
Yeah, because I want to see a little bit of personality, not only in their song, but we're going to check out some BLACKPINK.
Oh, I have like a T-Rex hand right now. What is that?
You do. Guys, we can see ourselves.
I just looked up. I'm like, what is my hand? What is wrong with it? It's like it's broken.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, BLACKPINK, but it's gonna be a different one.
Yeah.
It's BLACKPINK.
You are doing like the whole T-Rex thing. You're dying.
It's BLACKPINK signing.
Yeah.
Katie thought it was singing,
I thought it was singing.
but it's signing.
A little bit dyslexic when it comes to reading.
Not at all. That's two little letters that jumbled.
I know.
And you would think singing because it's BLACKPINK.
Right.
But I threw a curveball to everyone here today. So let's, you ready?
See this signing.
Follow my T-Rex hand.
T-Rex.
Follow it.
Oh my gosh.
Rar is a tiger. It's That's more of a T-Rex, right?
That's a pterodactyl.
Oh, okay. We're going to Google that when we're done. You know we love this song.
Oh my gosh, they're so cute. They're so beautiful.
They're just adorable.
Ooh. Cool signature.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, she's gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Jenny. Okay, here's what we're gonna have a little game. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna stop after each one and talk about their personality and what we think it truly is, because we don't know BLACKPINK like all you BLACKPINK fans do.
We don't. We're like in the new stages of getting to know them.
Yeah, so I want you all to tell us if we're on point with what we kind of draw from their
I'm nervous.
interaction, because we're also I guess I clicked the wrong video. There was one that had English subtitles, so we'd know what they're talking about.
Oh.
And these are not, and these are like Korean. So yeah, I think it'd be fun if we kind of talk about what she just did, right?
Yeah.
Because we're on to Jenny now. Let's go back one. Let's talk about her personality. Then you guys can tell us if we're on point or not.
Okay.
Right? What'd you draw from that?
Okay, I think she's very soft and warm.
Yeah.
But she's got a fierce side, because as she ended the interview, she got a little bit more harsh and fierce.
Whoa, that's good.
Thanks.
I did not pull all that out.
I'm a girl.
Yes, you are. I pulled out that she was maybe one of the more subdued of the group, in just when she's like talking, not on stage by any means, but like just in her casual, maybe she's a little more reserved or private.
Yeah, I see
or
that.
Or just calm and chill.
Yeah.
Again, we're just watching one interview one time, so don't lambast us if we get it all wrong.
This is a great game.
We're just doing it on this interview, guys, okay? So follow along. Here we go. Now we're at Jenny. I love those little dolls.
Okay. So Jenny, we have to stop at Jenny, right?
Well, I think we're still there.
No, we're moving
Oh,
on.
yeah, we're moving on, but she's not talking yet. Okay, there we are.
Okay. You go first for Jenny.
For Jenny, she's definitely very playful. She is lighthearted and fun. She smiles through her emotions.
Yes.
I think so.
Yes,
Right?
which I think makes her the more quiet one of the group.
Ooh, that's getting deep now.
Yeah, which makes me wonder if everyone goes to her
For like advice and
for
stuff?
advice and everything. Because she's
Clever.
such a light, but she has like there's a huge maturity in her.
Ooh, light was good. She radiated light.
Yeah, she radiates light.
She did, yeah.
But there's also a deep maturity there. So I wonder if she's kind of like, if she's the playful mama of the group.
You guys let us know.
Yeah, let us know.
You know.
I know, I'm so curious what they're
I
going
know.
to say.
This is fun.
This is
really
This is a
fun.
great game.
Okay, here we go. We're going to Rose. Or is it Rose? I don't know how she says her name, but here we go.
팬사인회 이렇게 많은 사람들이 모이는 거 제가 너무 신기해가지고 되게 놀랬고 또 한 명 한 명 다 너무 좋은 대화 나누고 되게 좋은 얘기가 들려서 되게 재밌었어요. Andre Ringkjøb.
Okay.
Okay, she is mysterious,
So mysterious.
and she's sultry. You got to watch that one.
Yeah.
You can see it in her eyes.
I mean, literally.
In the smirk and the head turn.
Yeah.
She gave that little like, that's all you need to know to be like, that one's got some game.
In a great way, watch out for her.
Yeah.
Like, not in a bad way
Yeah, no,
whatsoever,
no.
but in a great way, like, watch out for her.
Yeah,
'cause
she's
you might not see her coming.
She knows everything that's going on.
Yeah.
Right? And she is calculated.
She's protective.
She's protective. Her eyes say everything.
Yeah.
Everything.
No, I'm like, what are they saying right
What do you
there?
think?
What they're saying?
No, what do you think of her?
Oh, I tagged in with you.
Oh, you did.
So
You're right.
I
You're
kind of,
right.
yeah.
You're right.
I didn't really take a turn. I'm sorry.
That's okay. Anything else about her?
No, I just think she seems protective. She seems loyal. She seems very charismatic to me.
Agreed.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Okay. Catch up on it. Oh, it heads.
메시지가
Lisa.
힘이 나고 열심히 할 수 있는 것 같아요. 그래서 이번
She has princess eyes.
She does.
다 같이 즐겁시다. 우리 자주 봐요 이제. 안녕. 사랑해.
So
Okay, so
cute.
Lisa.
Okay, tell us.
I think she seems like she's like the goofy one.
Yeah?
Like the really just funny, makes everyone laugh, brings light of the situation to everyone.
I definitely get lighthearted, playful. There's also an innocence about her.
Yes,
I think you
yeah,
see it in
just
her,
a purity.
face, in her eyes.
Yeah.
And yeah, very fun.
Yeah.
Very, very fun.
Excuse me, I'm sorry.
I think it's really cool to see how the group plays together. Let's finish this out here and see what happens, and then we'll give our little group dynamic at the end.
Okay.
I mean, they're adorable.
They're adorable. They really seem, groups can be tricky. You don't know if
Yeah.
they get along or not.
You don't.
But they really seem like they get along and
They
have
do.
a sister bond.
And they seem very genuine.
Very
I think
genuine.
watching all four of them and their personalities individually
Yeah.
reinforce the genuineness of the entirety of the group.
Yeah.
Right? And that's cool to see. Because I'm not saying every group has their issues, because it's literally like
I mean, you're doing, yeah.
Yeah, it's like life. It's like you get four siblings together, they're going to have issues.
Right.
But even in the ins and outs of trying to do life and work together and touring and all that, they really do seem to enjoy each other.
Yeah.
And that comes across. And I think that's why their fans love them so much.
Totally. And their personalities just don't clash. They click.
No, they click. And
Yeah.
they're uniquely individual, which is cool. That's why it works as well.
Uh-huh.
But together they form something really magical and special. That's why Blackpink is Blackpink.
I mean, they're so good.
Yeah, so good.
Y'all let us know how we did.
Yeah, let us know if you like this.
I'm so curious.
Yeah, please let us know on that. If we're wrong, we're wrong. We're just casually sitting here making casual judgments on what we saw today. So
Yeah.
but let us know. Comment. Be nice as well. But yeah, and also let us know if you enjoyed this, because we'll do more of these.
Yeah, I like the interview part.
Yeah, me too, because singing is more than just the vocal. It's the entire person. And
Yeah,
to
it really
understand
is.
that
Artistry
person,
is the whole thing.
yeah, understanding. That's why when we develop artists, we don't just work on the voice. That's actually the smallest part most often, right?
There's so much personality, interviews,
movements, interaction
on the stage or just with one other person.
Everything. It's all of it. So until next time, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
We are Vocal Lab Collective.